Twins. He's another one people are going to want to watch for. I think he's going to be another another Lindor. Comparable to him anyways. Just watching him over the last month, he's been raking. Alright, here we go. Donruss, football number 200 from last night's eBay auctions. Lindor, he's a good one. He's going to be a force coming up too. Jeremy's Peterson decided he was going to be all big and bad and do the home run derby, and he screwed up his swing. He hasn't been right ever since. Don't hear anything about him anymore. He was going to run away with the NL Rookie of the Year till he did that home run derby, and he was done. Got Victor Cruz, Odell Beckham passing the torch, Matt Ryan Elite, Dickerson, Gridiron Legends. Justin Hardy, Elite. Yeah, that was a nice card. That Lindor. Lynch, Elite Series. Mingo, Gridiron Kings. Lamar Miller, the stat line, 18 of 687 for the Dolphins. Steve, SEP. And Vince Maley, the rookie auto for the Browns. Eric, HIL. Last team mojo there. You said Eric. There's an Odell. Dominator, 321 of 999 for the Giants. Lisa, 36B. Garrett Grayson, Elite. It's true, though, Jeremy. Jock Peterson has sucked ever since the All-Star break. Which is disappointing. It really is. Got Falk and Gurley passing the torch. Phillip Rivers, Gridiron Kings. He was promising this year, and he did that home run derby and never came back. But look at Todd Frazier. Same thing. Abdullah, rated rookie. Fitzgerald, Elite. Todd Frazier was killing it in the first half. Devin Smith, Elite. And he went on and did that home run derby. Won it and hasn't made it back yet. Take him all offseason to get his swing back. And who knows if it's going to come back how it was. David Cobb, rated rookie press proof, 40 of 99. That one's going to the Titans. Lico 114. Bishop Sankey, throwback. Nelson, elite. Yep. I was looking forward to seeing what Seager is going to do in Colorado this weekend. My goodness, that kid has come out on fire. Jones, rated rookie. Manning, elite. David Cobb, elite. Barry Sanders, press proof. 107 of 1 at 99 for the Lions. Jeremy, MCN. And got a Lamar Miller, threads. This jersey, that one is not numbered. Going to the Dolphins, Steve, SEP. I don't know if it's mental. I know everybody who's done that. That's why Trout won't do it anymore. Cabrera won't do it. A lot of the good hitters won't do the home run derby anymore because you have to change your swing so much. Sammy Coates, elite. You turn it into a violent swing to try to get that ball to keep going out. And then this year they changed up the way they did it. Got Rodgers, Classics, 239 of 273 for the Packers. Jeremy, MCN. Another Rodgers, elite. So they're swinging over and over and over again. It just gets more and more violent because they're tired and they're trying to get that ball to go out and just ruins them. Nice one. Eric Dickerson, throwback threads. Going to the Rams. Jeremy, MCN. That's a nice hit. We get another hit. We did. Michael Strahan, throwback threads. For the Giants, Lisa, 36B. Grabbing a bonus hit. Nice one. Jones, elite. Coleman, rated rookie. Ajayi, elite. Johnson, rated rookie. Carr, elite. Thomas, elite. Bryant, elite series. Williams, the elite. Rivers, elite. Jones, elite series. Flacco, elite. Got Rice, Classics, and Bryce Petty, elite. That will do it for Donruss number 200. Immaculate down to 8 teams. No. Do not.